Gates open, they're up and racing. Spanish Lover draws for your lead. Ha! Moving up now to grab the lead. Libre Lang racing in third. Exceptional Angel alongside Husi. Then comes Rayo. Aidas, Julian, and Native Land is bringing up the rear as they round towards the last 600. Ha! Is still leading the field is Spanish Lover in second, then racing in third, Libre Lang moving up to take fourth, and catching the third spot is Jose Exceptional Angel in between runners. Aidas Julian is by the rail as they turn for home. Is still leading the field, running on the outside is Spanish Lover. Exceptional Angel now running in third, Libre Lang, and on the outside Jose with 150 more to run. Is still leading the field over Spanish Lover. And finally, it's Spanish Lover, Exceptional Angel, Husi, and Libre Lang for your Pentafecta.
Sila rin ang